Hi guys, here we are at Home Goods. Let's check out the pets section. I absolutely love this section, guys, and I can't leave without going through it. So you have some beautiful toys, awesome toys. $3.99 for that one. This is $5.99 for these balls right here. And look at this. This is this huge one here. Look at that. Guys, that's $5.99. Then you have the little crocodile right here, and look at the lamb. It makes silly sounds, $4.99. And then you have this toy here. Let me see it. I see a price. That one is $2.99. Then you have this curved bone. It's peanut flavor. That's $4.99. Okay, so I think that's a carrot with a mouse inside. Isn't that cute? So that was reduced, guys, for $4. I'm loving that. And these are supposed to be French fries, guys. Look at this. I'm sorry, popcorn. So that one is $6.99. Then you have this one, this rabbit. That is so cute. The little squeezy thing is on the bottom. So that rabbit there is $6.99. Then you have some of these toys, $6.99. Okay, then you have this rope toy. And look at this cactus, $4.99. And you have this monkey here, $7.99. Here's the pig, guys. Some more of those balls. It's not adorable. I'm just going to scan through some of this stuff here. Then if you come over here, guys, look at this. So you have the little hammock type of not hammock. I don't know what you call those wicker chairs. $59.99 for it. It's so cute. I don't think my dog will stay in it either. But then you have that little bone basket for their stuff, $29.99. Then you have these kind of organizational bins with the little paw prints on it, guys, $19.99. And look at this fleece. The fleece for a dog, $14.99. And there is your bowls in the stand, $24.99. And here's a little bit shorter one. That one is $29.99. And I'm loving these wolf baskets. And each of them are individual price. So the little small one inside is $5.99, and then it continues down. It continues getting bigger, and the price goes up too. Then this is a huge one here, and these things are made in India, guys, so they made very well. Here's another one in the white. That one over there is in the black. And I'm loving these dog toys. I love that. Then these, guys, is a package from Ellen DeGeneres, $9.99. You get a lot of 18 rolls in there. So this is really cute. This is home with the paw in the middle, and there is the hooks. That's so cute, guys. And then look at that. Absolutely adorable. So this is the water jug that fills into the bin. That's $24.99 for that one. And you have some more throws, and here's a cat one. This one is $12.99, guys. Some more of these bags, the waist bags. And then here is a Tommy Hilfiger throw. Somebody just placed there, guys. This is for the dogs, this hand-woven basket. That's gorgeous, $14.99, and I'm loving that bed right there. So here's some more pet beds over here on this side, guys, and then here is some more toys. So here's a harness. Tahari makes this harness. This is a nice harness, guys, $5.99. Then you have this toy here, and then they have the Frisbees. Isn't that adorable for $5.99? Then this is a drying towel for $5.99. Silicone gloves. And here is the pet cooling mat. That's a good idea when it's really hot out. Tricky treat ball. That's adorable, isn't it? It's a medium size. And then here is the basket that you sit them in the car, like a little car seat pouch. That's cute. I think my dog would fit in there. I don't know if she'd stay in there, but that's adorable, isn't it, guys? $29.99. And look at this bin here to store their food, $24.99. I'm loving that idea. This one here is $12.99, and this one was reduced to $14. I don't see the top. Okay, then you have some more of the food here and some bone stuff. Let's see. So this bark bone over here is $7.99. Then you have that bamboo. Okay, then you have the sweet potato snacks for $5.99, and the trainers. So how much are the trainer snacks? Those are $3.99. Then you have the rawhide. Then the rawhide is $6.99. This is the newbies Arm & Hammer for $3.99. And here's the dogwood. And this, guys, I don't see a $4.99. Okay. So then you have some more snacks and chewy toys. Okay, here's some more eating. Small little eating bowls. Isn't this adorable? I love this stuff with detail on it, guys. Isn't that nice? So this one here is $14.99. I wonder if my Nina can get in there without choking. She has to eat out of these tiny bowls, guys, because she chokes for everything. $2.99. They are so adorable, guys. And look at this one. This is really bougie, right? I just love that. So that's $2.99, and here's the ones with the paws, and here's some more of the bowls. A wooden basket in the handmade. It's handmade, and it's, what's the price? $24.99 for that. And look at the hot sauce. Isn't that adorable? That's $3.99, guys. And then here's the bed. That is adorable, guys. And then here you have some more of the beds. So I know she can't climb over this, but I was thinking of something like this, but this is a cat. Look at this one. Isn't that adorable? That is so cute. This one here is Wags and Smiles, $16.99. I love the way it's made. Very well made. Look at these over here, guys. These have hot dogs on them. So this is like a pillow. I don't know if she would stay on that. She could. I don't see a price on that. So if we come on this side, we have some more of those. This is a Tommy one, guys. Do you imagine? This is so cute. Let's see. I don't know. But it looks so nice, doesn't it? This Tommy one. And here's a Nan Dog Pet Gear, a Serta. Serta Perfect Sleeper. That was $29.99, guys. Then they have the Serta Petite couch. Wow, $29.99. And I think the mat would probably work out better. So let's see, this mat one is $12.99 for that one. Okay, so guys, thank you for coming with me to Home Goods to check out their pet section, and I will see you guys in the next video.